I'm not the president of the family, I'm not the president of my friends. And then of course, yung mga well-applauded na portions, like yung sa pagpapalawak mo sa tax exemption, pagpataas ng sakop ng tax exemption, and then of the systems loss, hindi pag-charge sa systems loss. Gustong-gusto yan ng mga tao. Nainano niya yung potential about the Pax Silica, pero kailangan siguro pag-aralan muna yan, yung sa Pax Silica. And then yung sa nuclear energy rin, kailangan din, yes, I know it was well applauded, pero kailangan siguro pag-aralan na muna ng gusto yan. Now, of course, isa sa pinaka-highlights, and I think pinaka-highlights talaga, is yung sa pagbanggit niya about the China, that, he's upholding yung arbitral award, he's upholding UNCLOS, and yung sabi nga niya, we are not racist, we are not liars, so magandang patama yun. Naano lang ako na there's no mention about rejoining ICC, and then there's no mention about the anti-political dynasty bill na dapat isulong na talaga yan. So yun ang mga notable, very notable na mga aspects ng SONA.
Ma'am, did you expect that he will directly name his cousin during the first part of the song?
Not exactly. Hindi ko yun talaga expected. Although we are hoping na talagang at mabanggitin yung tungkol sa investigasyon at ongoing investigation and yung status ng mga investigation. And we were anticipating that. And maganda, nasabi ko nga, na sa pagbungat pa lang, sa umpisa pa lang, yun na kaagad ang pinasok niya. That is a good point. Well, I think we were expecting na hindi yun mapabanggit. Because, para ipakita niya na hands-off siya sa impeachment. Na since it's an ongoing process. Although he could have said something about, still about the need for accountability. So sana meron siya at least man lang ganon, kahit isang sentence lang or two sentences without necessarily pinpointing the impeachment process. Kaya tama lang siguro yun na hindi na muna niya binanggit yun kasi nasa institution na, nasa Senado, nasa impeachment court, the one with the jurisdiction over the matter.
Ma'am, overall, are you satisfied with the SONA or may nag-well signed?
Well, overall, maganda. Pero yun na nga yung sabi ko nga, yung mga inaasahan din na iba na yung pagre-rejoin ng ICC, pagpapa sa batas na ng anti-political dynasty bill. So, yun siguro kailangan na dapat nabanggit man lang ang mga ganon ng mga punto. Pero marami siyempre mga accomplishments sa mga sinabi. We just hoping na lahat yun factual. We're just hoping na supported by the necessary data.